Hamstech's professional cookery course turns your passion for cooking into a successful business or career. And all it takes is a comprehensive curriculum, ample exposure, passionate determination. With our professional cookery course, you get to learn different types of cuisines. Balance your ingredients in the perfect way. Style your dishes and capture them beautifully. Start your own food business and become a professional chef or foodpreneur with our support. Sounds super exciting, doesn't it? So why wait? Enroll in our professional cookery course to be a part of Hamstech's culinary community.